What's up, Fit family? It's your man, your new fitness fanatic, King Lip. And you know why I'm here? No, you don't know why I'm here. I'm going to tell you why I'm here. We're here with another episode of Mega Mondays. And I figured on Mega Mondays, all of my people living the bodybuilder lifestyle, getting super lean, slim and trim to still be able to enjoy the summer. Some of you guys are really on super strict regimens. Some of you guys are on macro count regimens where you can play around a little bit. Some of you are on strict regimens where you can have a cheat day. And so I figure, you know, why not talk about a healthy fat that might get overlooked in some of your regimens, or you might love it. You might eat it a lot. I know I do. I'm going to have some tomorrow in the morning with my eggs mashed in. And that fruit I'm talking about, it's the avocado. You know what I was going to say, huh? Yeah, avocado is considered a fruit if you didn't know. If you didn't know. Since we are talking about getting lean and getting cut for the summer, I'm going to talk about 10 health benefits that the avocado has if you put it in your eating program. And then you can go ahead and continue to get on your program, get on your grind, you know. I'm going to be doing a mini cut real soon, and I'm taking you guys with me. I'm going to do a mini cut vlog so you guys can see how I eat, how I train, and how I get real tight and right, because I'm an August baby. So my birthday's coming up soon, and I want to look especially right for that time. So stay tuned, be looking out for that mini cut vlog. Well, anyway, let's get into the avocado.
Good. After God, after my family, I ain't gonna front. Ain't nothing more important than this success than getting it. Yeah.
Usually, avocado is a good staple in a strict bodybuilder's lifestyle, and it's a great addition to any health eating program. You can gain so many great properties from eating them. That's why today I'm going to give you 10 health benefits of the avocado. Let's talk about number one. It's going to be your protein. Believe it or not, avocado is a good protein source. As you know, protein helps to repair our bodies after your workout, and avocados contains high qualities of protein. Getting protein from avocado is healthier than getting protein from some of the processed foods, such as commercial brands of peanut butter, bread, and cereal. I bet you didn't know that, right? All right. Second thing, avocado is a good source of vitamin E. As you know, vitamin E is an antioxidant, which helps get rid of the harmful chemicals such as free radicals. And free radicals can cause damage to our bodies and cells. So avocados are great vitamin E supplement or antioxidant addition to your eating program. Also, avocado, number 3, reduces that cholesterol. You know, it lowers that LDL, which is considered the bad cholesterol, and increases your HDL, which you guys know is considered your good cholesterol. Avocados are high in amounts of fiber, which lower the risk of stroke, cardiovascular disease, hypertension, and obesity. Avocados are also great for your digestion. You know what? He won't let me get through this, so since he's bothering me, I might as well pick him up, put him in the video. You want to be on camera now? That's the fat man. Look, that fat man. Look at your camera, boy. That's the fat man. Hey, fatty. Yeah, see? That's the fat man. He will not stop bothering me. What's up, man? Yeah. Look. You want to be on camera? Look, fat. Look. Yeah. Say, what's up, fat boy? All right. All right, so let's continue. We're talking about number 4, and that's digestion. Avocados have enzymes that not only help prevent sour stomach, upset stomach, but they absorb certain nutrients to balance your stomach acids out, and they also help prevent constipation. Number 5, avocados are the most vitamin and nutrient-rich fruit. And one of the most abundant vitamins they do possess is potassium. And as we know, potassium, great electrolyte that's known to lower blood pressure. We're going to go right into number 6, baby. Number 6. And that's talking about eyesight. Avocados produce a chemical called lutein. And I'm going to say a big word. It's a big word for me, at least. They reduce the risk of macular degeneration. I like that word, macular degeneration. And basically, it's a fancy way of saying they prevent the breakdown of your eyes. They produce a chemical that prevents your eyesight from breaking down. So if you're prone to cataracts or if you're prone to any eye diseases, they protect the eyes from all these diseases affiliated with degenerating eyesight, usually due to old age, things like that. Now we're going into my yuck mouth, my bad breath bandits. No, I'm just kidding. No, not my yuck mouths. But if by chance your health and wellness has been compromised and you've been plagued with bad breath, and you've been to the dentist and they told you, hey, you may have certain dental diseases, or you may not, but you just have some internal things wrong with your breath, then give these avocados a try. What they do is they actually help break down the imbalances in your digestive system, which is in your intestines, which sometimes when that's backed up can lead to bad breath. It comes out in your body in different ways. This will aid in that and help freshen your breath up. So if you've done your research, you've went out to your dentist, you've got your mouth checked, and he's told you, hey, listen, it's not your dental work, it's not your mouth internally, it could be something you're eating, then that must mean your eating program is horrible, and you need to start putting these avocado in your regular eating regimen to get those guts right and to get that breath on point. Seriously. All right, number 8, which should be no surprise, is it's great for weight management. Healthy high fats contents, which avocados contain, provide a feeling of fullness to most of us when you eat them, and can really satisfy those cravings so that you don't want to go out and eat a bunch of crap, load up on carbs and things like that. Specifically the monounsaturated fats, which increases the metabolic rate, but it also gives you that sense of fullness, inside. So, hey, it deters you from wanting to really pack on extra food. So give it a try for that. Number 9, for my fit family that like to lift heavy in the gym and you constantly have those joint problems, well, avocado is a great anti-inflammatory. It has some properties that help stimulate the cartilage growth and can treat arthritis and joint pain in various ways. So if you lift heavy and you are doing some good aftercare to your joints, but they stay sore, you try your anti-inflammatories as well, avocados can also be a good anti-inflammatory property in your eating program. And number 10, one of the most important properties, I think, in my opinion, is that they boost your immune system. Because they're high in vitamin E levels, which is a real good contributor to helping to boost your immune system naturally and keep you from getting sick, which can affect your gains in the gym, and we know we don't want to do that. So listen, bottom line is, if you haven't already, put avocado in your regular eating program. It has 10 great benefits I listed and many, many more. So if you want to know more about it, check it out on your own. I'm just going to give you the properties that make sense to your health and wellness, that make sense to your eating program. So it's your man, King Leo. Guess what? I got work to do. And so do you. So get to it. Get dirty. Don't know the rest. Get it done.